Hi everyone, I'm really sick this week, but it is the third week of Fallout month. I may have succumbed to a radiation, but unfortunately I'm very unwell. But luckily, we have Daniel Faulkner from Hey, I Love That Movie podcast, and he's going to paint us up a lovely fusion core from the Fallout video games and TV show. So, over to Daniel.
Hey, it's Dan Faulkner here. You may know me as the writer of Grey, which Reese has done the artwork for, or more likely as one of the hosts of the podcast Hey, I Loved That Movie. And I'm here painting the fusion core that Reese has printed off for me. We're starting here with the obviously the first bases of yellow and the metallic for the top half, which I'm using the lead belcher paint for to get that nice metallic sheen. This is in two halves, which is nice and easy to paint. I can add the second layer quite easily, but yeah, the bottom half is the yellow and the top half is the lead color. Screws together, you can keep things in. I'm thinking of putting batteries in there. I had to add a third layer of yellow because it was streaking a little bit, so I added a bit of that, trying to keep it looking nice. Bit of red for the top of the handle part of the fusion core here, just adding that nice detail. And then I decided to add a little bit of weathering to it. Obviously, being in the Fallout universe, these aren't going to be pristine. Yes, they are, radioactive cores, but they're, not always going to look perfect. And speaking of which, I actually used this paint, which I got the Data System Glow. I got it at Salute last year. I was using it for these rad scorpions, actually, that I painted. And some of the miniatures, which I haven't finished painting yet, I've had them for nearly a year. I feel like that's everyone with miniatures has that though. But anyway, yeah. So I used this to add a kind of like a radioactive leak to the fusion core. I thought I'd add a little bit to the inside. I didn't want to paint over the screw bits where it connects together, just because I figured it's probably going to scrape off over time and make it jam up. But I had a little bit around the edge, and then adding just thick globules of it. Well, I mixed it with a bit of water so it would run a little bit more, but just adding that so that it runs down the side of the fusion core, just to try and add that little bit more detail to it. And here's the finished product. I mean, I painted it to the best of my abilities. I know it's not quite as amazing as some of the things that Reese paints, but I'm quite proud of it, especially considering it is quite hard to see through these red lenses as to the correct colours.
Thanks, Daniel. So we'll be back next week for the fourth and final video in the month of Fallout. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, help support this small channel grow. I'll be back next week with